Oh, hey, Snaky.
What's up, boy? Told me he was coming.
Damn.
What's up, man? How are you?
Hey, good, man.
What's up, bro?
Wow, man. Yeah, man.
Thought I saw a ghost.
Yeah, it looked like it.
Yeah.
I think you got a new number or something.
What's up, dude? Hungry? Fucking good. Brought some burgers. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're up at Funco Motorsports and we're cooking burgers on the Blackstone Griddle. But check out this car right here, dude. This thing is sick. But yeah, let's start cooking. Alright, so as you can see, I got my little cooking station right here. Got the Blackstone Griddle right here. And then I got my little table right here with all my ingredients. And then while everyone else is working, I'm gonna be cooking. Alright guys, so we got the curly fries on the Blackstone Griddle. Next, probably throw on the onions.
What do you got going on right here?
We're gonna throw some onions on right now. First put a little oil down. Spread it around a little bit, that's what I like to do. And then give it the old flop. Okay guys, so we got the curly fries, the onions, and the burgers on the griddle. So it should be done soon.
Yeah, I got. You got 10? Yeah. 8, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. I got another taco there. I'm putting another taco. You're done? More going on. Cool. Dang. Salt Bay, baby.
Got AC in the house, got DC. Bring AC to work day, baby.
Bring AC to work day.
Yeah, that's a nice little burner.
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, here's right there. If you like onions. Alright, there you go. Okay, thank you. He's not eating. Oh yeah.
We just ate. Everyone just ate right now. Everyone's kind of in a food coma right now. But everyone had their burgers and they all liked it. So yeah, we got David and Jeff right here. Well, alright guys, that's it for this video. Just want to come up to Funco and cook some burgers for the shop. So hopefully you like the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.